Hi, I'm Marin Ingles and my husband is Nate, and this is our basement. We have been here in our house for about 9 years, and it's finally time to finish it, and we're super excited about it. What we have planned for the basement is this whole area in here is going to be the media room and kitchenette. We are going to be opening up right here on this wall so that there'll be an entrance directly into this room. Just coming around here, we'll have big open space here. There'll be a wall coming across, and this will be a bedroom slash office. In here in this bedroom, we'll have a small walk-in closet on this side. This will be closed off. The bathroom, and with all the plumbing's got to be moved on this one, but we'll have a toilet and then shower, big shower over here, and then a double vanity and sinks right here. And then we have the second bedroom down here. Then we have the other bedroom here, and we are adding a faucet coming down so that we have water in here for our water storage. I feel very confident in that bid from Chris because it's so detailed. Chris and his contractors we trust and feel like they can help us come up with the best solution together. And it's just been a really good, relationship so far that we've been able to get what we need, do what we need, find the right people to do the job, make sure that it's gonna get done right. It won't be messed up in the end. So far we've just had one billing, just the first initial design charge, but it's not until after the fact, after they've done the work, is when we pay him and when they bill us. And they just every 2 weeks send us an invoice for everything that's happened, and all of the invoices are shown in CoConstruct so that we know exactly what we're paying, who is getting the money. It feels very ethical and honest. I don't have to worry that somebody's jacking up the price of something, when it ended up being less than they thought or estimated. Just overall, I feel like my basement will be done very much the way I want it to be done. I don't have to worry about prices going over or not knowing where my money is going when it's a huge investment for us. So I think it's just been a really beneficial thing all the way around.